Okay, sir, this is the question based upon equilibrium of concurrent coplanar forces. Everything is same actually. Sigma fx0, sigma fy0. If at all torque you can use torque equation also. But here, how many variables are there?
Two one.
Only two variables. So two variables, two questions will be sufficient. Two equations will be sufficient, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now see carefully. Object is in equilibrium under the four concurrent forces. How are the four? What is the meaning of concurrent here? All are passing through the same point.
Yeah, intersected one.
No object. Where is the object? Sir, object is at O only.
Yeah.
So now that body is in equilibrium. That means what, sir? You'll write sigma
All
here.
four.
Here they did not mention anything about z-axis. So don't think that okay, sir, there is some 3D diagram here. No, 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 no. There is no 3D diagram. It's everything 2D plane only. Okay. Sigma
Yeah.
fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0. Can you try this?
Yeah.
Any idea?
So like this only at x-axis it is 8 Newton, that is one force, and F F2 will also put a force of
Yes.
F2 sine 30.
So I will show you one equation sigma fx equal to 0. What you are saying exactly matches. See carefully, sir. You can write it in terms of I cap and J cap. That are also the best method to do here. See, the sigma fx
Okay.
means in the x-axis direction, you have something called 8 I cap. Okay.
Yeah.
Plus 4 cos 60 I cap. You'll agree with that?
Yeah.
Minus F2 cos 30 I cap. Will agree with that?
F2. Yeah. Right.
It is in the backward direction. If you take the component, sir, see that will be backward and a J component will be downward. So these are the only three components you can add up to 0. Okay.
Yes.
This is one equation. Another equation sigma Fy equal to 0. F1 J cap plus 4
Force
cos
sine.
30 J cap minus F2 cos 60 J cap. Any doubts, sir, in any of the force?
1 second. 1 second.
Please, yeah, think about it, no problem. Any of the component, if you get a doubt, you can ask me. 8 I cap how it is coming, 4 cos 60 I cap how it is coming, F2 cos 30 how it is coming, F1 J cap 4 cos 30 J cap minus F2 cos 60. Now it's over. Just you have to do calculations. That's it.
Okay, sir, I understood the equation. I got each and every both of them, like
Okay,
trying it on.
fine. Please calculate F1 and F2 now. So we have plenty of questions based upon this equilibrium model. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we are going to do all the problems. Then you'll get
Sir,
the yeah.
F2 is 20 by root 3.
F2 is 20 by root 3. Perfect, very good. F2 is 20 by root 3 is the right answer.
Sir, and F1 would be 4 by root 3.
F1 would be
4 by root 3.
F1 is 4 by root 3. Perfect, sir. F1 is 4 by root 3. Correct answer. Okay. So these are the two example problems that today we have done. And tomorrow onwards, we are going to have more and more intense problems. And we are also learning that tomorrow, what we are going to learn, I just wanted to give you a small glimpse. One thing is about Lamis theorem, which is very important to know. Okay. So
Yes,
based upon this Lamis theorem, we are going to do problems in tomorrow's class. And once the Lamis theorem is over, we'll be doing the exercise on complete equilibrium. So it can, those problems will include even the torque. Those problems will also include Lamis theorem. Those problems will also include, you know, equilibrium of coplanar forces, sigma fx equal to 0, sigma fy equal to 0. All these things will be included in tomorrow's class. So might be in tomorrow or tomorrow we can complete this equilibrium topic. Then we'll be going ahead for Newton's laws. Okay.
yes.
Thank you very much. That's the end of our class today.
Yeah.